Okay, so in this video, I'll show you how you can add text on a video in Davinci Resolve 16. Let's get into this right away. So right here, I've got a video opened up in my timeline. All I need to do is click on Effects Library right there. There you go. And then you can see titles. So click on titles right there and you'll find all of these different titles. Right there, you'll then find text. Now you want to select this and drag this over here on top of your video. Then select that. You can make that, you can drag it to like wherever you want to use it. Let's say I want to use it like that. Get the selection tool, then select this title, then click on inspector right here. Oops, I was already on inspector. And right there, you can then customize the text. So I'll just enter my channel name, how to digital. There it is. You can then change the font right here. Let me just drag this over here, by the way, so that we can actually see the text. There it is. And then maybe this one. You can see where this is going. You can change the color as well, maybe to black. Yes, there it is. So oops, it's my bad, I need to save that, of course. Okay, so you can see where this is going. Right here you can then see that text, right? I know this doesn't look that great, but it's just a quick example of how you can add text to a video. So that's pretty much how you can add text to the video. If this video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if it works or if you have any questions, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.